Did you know you can earn approximately $100 or more even every day just by writing AI generated articles? So today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use Romo AI to create high quality and professional articles, and you can sell them on Fiverr to start making money online. So you can see romoai.com. I have opened this website. So this is an incredible professional AI writing tool that will help you to create articles in minutes. And Fiverr, is a platform where people are paying top, dollars for article writing services. So let's dive in. You can see here like all-in-one platform to generate magical AI content in the blink of an eye. So this is an incredible. See, this is an AI-powered writing platform. This is Romo AI. So that will allow you to create blog posts, articles, and content in seconds. So it's perfect for both for professionals and also for beginners. So how we can start it? We can sign up here. So now here we can type our name, last name, and here we can type our email. And here we will type the password and sign up. So you see, we have sent you an email for confirmation. So we will see the confirmation email has been arrived. In these days, like demand for content writing too much, businesses, bloggers, and websites, they are always looking for high quality content. And with the AI tools like, Romo AI that I'm going to show you this, just because of this, you can meet the demand quickly and efficiently. So here we can see like, so you can see the email has been arrived, confirmation email, welcome to Romo AI writer. So we will confirm the account. And now we will sign in. So as I was telling you that businesses, bloggers, and websites, they are looking for high quality content always. So the Fiverr is a great platform to sell, these services. And it's a, if you have heard about the Fiverr, it's a great global marketplace where people, users, and freelancers are offering article writing services and earning hundreds of dollars every week. If you see, this is fiverr.com, and here you can see like write article. So you will see here like people are writing like, see, I will write articles, and this is top rated, this freelancer SEO writing for publishing, and it's charging like almost 50, almost $25. See here. And this one, see, I will write high quality SEO blog post. This is more than $100. Therefore, I told you in the start of this video that you can earn even $100. So you can write high quality SEO blog posts using Romo AI. So we have created, and now we can see on the left side left sidebar, the dashboard has been open, and the sidebar there are different options. So for this video we will use AI article wizard. Now here you can see, just choose your topic and watch Magic AI whip up SEO optimized blog content in a matter of seconds. So what is article about topic? So here we can mention like benefits of morning walk. Now this is the first step, and in this step it will create select keywords. So it will create keywords and you will have to select keywords. Number of keywords you can select, like for example 5. Advanced options language you can select. Blog post length and creativity, good. So you can select here like generate keywords for example, and see health, exercise, fresh air, energy, mood. So these are the 5 keywords you can see. Select add. So we can see add keyword if you want. So you can also add from here writing, so by right here, but we will select the keywords suggested by the Romo AI, and then next. Now you can see the title topic. So this is optional. You can explain your idea like benefits of morning walk for health, and number of titles it will generate 3. So we can select any one of them. Maximum title length, if you see like the title SEO size, meta title, it will be 50 to 60 characters. You can select here like 55 for example. Advanced options, if you want, you can select like same thing and generate title. Now you can see here it will generate 3 titles. So experience the amazing benefits of morning walk for your health. Improve your health with the power of morning walk. So you can select any one of them as I told you. So we need to select one title. So one title should be in between 50 to 60 characters as per the SEO allowed characters. So next. Now outline topic. So outline topic, this is optional. If you want, you can. Number of subtitles, like if you want subtitles, there should be 5, and number of outlines 3, and blog post length for example 1000. Creativity like premium. So generate outline. So you can see like it will show users exercise for a healthy lifestyle, the role of exercise in preventing chronic diseases, the power of fresh air in improving your health, increase your energy through physical activity, exercise to enhance your mood and mental well-being. So you can read all of them and you can select any one of them as per your requirement and whatever you like. So for morning walk I will select this one. So as I told you, you can select one of them. Now explain your image. So a person, you can see type here is doing morning walk. Size you can select like big. Number of images, for example 2 images, for example 1 featured image and 1 you can include in the content, but I will suggest like there should be 4, 3, 4 approximately, but for checking for test purpose we are going to select 2. Advanced option, same thing, you can select and generate image. So you can see it is generating image. So this is also like good, something related to morning, and you can see optional. So you can see we have selected this, and now I selected 1. So if you click 2, so it will generate 2 images. So it's up to you. Next, now it's generating the article exercise for healthy lifestyle now with outlines, with headings. You can see it is generating the content about 1000 words. And the role of exercise in preventing chronic diseases, the headings that we read before. So this is successfully generated. You can edit your article in documents once it is generated. So what I suggest you, because this is AI generated content, so I will suggest you to modify this article a bit. Even see, they have upgrade. If you upgrade, so if you upgrade, you will find some premium plans. So I will suggest you to go this one plan or anyone this one. Okay, so here this is more like features you will get here. Okay, so even you can use this for Fiverr. As I told you, you will create a gig and you can offer your services to the people and people will buy your gigs, and you can write and you can generate professional articles using Romo AI. This has been saved to documents. So once it is in the document, you can see here a I article wizard generator actions. You can move to folder or you can even open it. Now you can see here, so you can modify it. So like regular exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So regular exercise is mandatory for maintaining a healthy and perfect lifestyle. So like this you can add it if you want. Engaging in regular physical activities such as morning walks. So morning walk is one of the best regular physical activities, and this can significantly, see, the morning walk reduce the risk of developing chronic disease. So like this you can modify and edit this content, so it will be complete your own content. So I will suggest you, if you have good English, so you can modify this article and then you can sell your content on Fiverr. You can sell your services. So at the Fiverr you can create gig here and you can start article writing here. Pricing you can select, like you can charge 10 for a 500 words article, for example, or you can scale more for longer, more detailed content if you are going to select. So Romo AI, you can complete these articles with Romo AI. You can complete this content articles in minutes, and it will make a highly profitable side hustle. So many freelancers, as I explained, as I showed you here, they are earning like $500 to $1,000 a month just by offering article writing services on Fiverr. So imagine what you could do with a little effort. So I will also suggest you some tips, like you can use this Romo AI to create high quality, and this is also plagiarism free articles. Make sure, remember this, this is not plagiarized content. These are plagiarism free articles. So you can optimize your Fiverr give with keywords and attractive visuals. Like you can see people here, they are using, like you can see here, the image and heading and some description of the gig also, and also deliver your work on time and ask for reviews to build your reputation. So if the clients will give you review, you will definitely will get reviews, and you will able to build your good reputation in Fiverr. So the sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. So don't wait and take action now, today. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. And I'd love to help you get actually started. And in my next gig, I will also show you like more attractive, more professional ways to make money online. And I also share tutorials. So I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much once again.